get fined because everybody dies. Sabi ko nga, pati yung may-ari ng ano ba pinaka-popular na punerarya dito. I don't know how he or she would be treated when she's the one on the... Sige sila lang. Ngayon nung tumakbo na ako, di sila yung nauna. My God. You know, I've been firing left and right. Ang unang pinaalis ko, ang mga taong dala-dala ko. Sa totoo lang. And, you know, were it not for the fact that we are talking about corruption, pardon the word, pero tayo mismo ang ini-SS ng sarili nating, you know, here is this guy, but I told them, ulitin mo yan. He's been a player, an active player.